So today I'm gonna take you on a journey with me that begins with yoga and ends with shopping. It's gonna be a good day. But I thought this was the perfect opportunity to share with you something very special. Some of you have been asking me about my very trendy workout clothes because I wear them 90% of my life. So I have a yoga club unboxing to share with you. What? And I wanna thank YogaClub so much for sponsoring today's video, and I wanna thank you guys for supporting me when I have sponsored videos. I am gonna crack into this puppy and show you what's inside. I'm super excited. So if you don't know, YogaClub is a yoga clothes subscription service, and the boxes start at $79 a month, and you get 3 pieces. You take a style quiz. The pieces are 60% off retail value, so you're getting really snazzy stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I feel so special. Welcome to the tribe. Thank you, I'm happy to be here. Typically you get 3 pieces, a sports bra. Oh my word, this is the most expensive sports bra I've ever owned. This is right up my alley. I love the crisscross detail, and the fabric feels really nice quality. This is the shirt, yay! Oh my gosh, ooh, it's long sleeves, so fancy. I cannot wait to try this on. And these are the pants. They feel so nice, and they have this cute little detail at the bottom. These are from Free People. Guys, if you recently saw my luxurious shop with me trip to International Mall, they had a Free People store. I didn't even go inside because I just didn't even feel worthy. So I'm really excited to actually own a piece of Free People clothing. This is insane. Let me try this on because this is what I'm gonna wear to yoga today. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so fancy in my yoga class today. I'm probably gonna take you guys along. The pants are high-waisted, which I love, and the sports bra is just so cute, and I love how the shirt is very open and flowy because you guys know I sweat, but this top is so lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing long sleeves, so I'm excited to try these pieces out. What do you guys think? I love that boxes like YogaClub help you step out of your comfort zone and maybe try something that you wouldn't normally try. Like this shirt. I'm absolutely in love with it. I feel like a true yogi.
I should also mention that YogaClub membership starts at $79 and you can select your frequency. So monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, whatever you would like. YogaClub also has an awesome referral program too. So if you refer a friend to YogaClub, you get $10 off of your membership and they get $10 off of theirs as well. And the style quiz that you take when you initially join YogaClub is really simple. It just asks you about your body type, the kind of workouts that you enjoy, and then it asks you to rate sample workout outfits to get a feel for what you like the most, and then your clothes will be picked specifically for you when you get your box. And I'm excited for you guys to try it. If you would like to, I have a coupon code for you. YogaClub was so generous to offer it for my friends. The coupon code and link will be below in the description box.
Okay, I am going to bring you along to Body Flow class with me. We're gonna try to get some shots. Let's see if that can happen. I'm on my way to the gym, and I have to be honest with you, this is what I normally look like. Hello! It's not even sunny out, but I thought I would shield my tired eyes from you. But we're best friends, so whatever. I went to the gym a few days ago and did yoga and then deleted all the footage. So I thought I would go back to the gym a couple days later wearing the same exact thing. I put a little knot in it just to make it more my style. A little Wentworth in the back there. I got a lot of compliments when I went to the gym the other day wearing this. And I was like, YogaClub people, that's where I got. So I don't know if it was like the mascara that people were like, wow, you look so nice, or the clothes. Like, I did get compliments on the clothes too, but I do not normally wear makeup to the gym. So good morning. Cheers. guys, I'm back home. As you can tell, my space is a little different. I don't even know if you can tell. There's pillows on the floor. We just ate dinner, so I thought, what else can we do in yoga clothes? That's right, people, clean. And since I am so trendy with the YouTube these days, I thought we would do like a clean after dark. It's after dark, if you haven't noticed, which you probably haven't because there's no windows around. So let's clean together, people. Blast the tunes.
Wide awake is the way that you
Not
left
that
me.
one, not that one. That one's pretty good. All right, let's go.
When I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much
Better off. Hello, party people. Thank you for cleaning with me today. I hope you get some motivation. I'm just tidying up the dining room after our dinner. I'm so much better off when it's clean, you know? Baby, you don't belong here if you're messy. Well, I mean, everyone who lives here is messy. It has become an evening ritual where my youngest rips all the pillows off my couch and proceeds to jump on them. So I guess it's just the season of life. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right. Whoa, when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. Yes.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
I saw my kitchen and decided to tackle the small projects on my list of things to do. It's so much easier to tackle the small things so you can kind of check them off your list and then tackle the big things. At least for me, that's how I'd roll. How do you roll? Rolling with my homies. Name that movie.
My liberation.
I know what you're thinking. Wow, that desk is still dirty. But it's all about progress. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because guess what? It never will be perfect. And if it is, it won't last long. You feel me?
Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn in your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me.
Area is my catch-all, but guess what I found? Money! You guys always laugh when I find money while I'm cleaning. It happens. Not as often as I wish.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking.
I'm not asking. Come clean with me, guys. To a place where we don't know. Can't reach it. You know where I want to go? A place where there's no laundry. Though I am thankful to have clothes to wash. Remember to be thankful for all the things in life, guys. And don't I have a ton of clothes to wash? I've got about 4 loads to fold. Don't worry, we won't be folding them together. Hang it with me, guys. It starts, I'm done living life with the lights out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Done with my own doubt. Amen. Done with that doubt. Don't doubt yourself. You are beautiful. You are perfect. You are capable. And you are worthy. You are so enough. It's not even funny. And I'm here for you if you need me. Let's clean together, people. Woo! Isn't laundry just the best? I think it's my new dryer balls that is just getting me pumped. your Bonnie, you be my Clyde. Confession, I've never seen that movie, so are they murderers? I don't know. I really like You, so I'm waiting for the second season. Anyway, I am setting the timer on my washing machine, and it's something that I have really started to enjoy. I just throw the clothes in at night and set the timer so it washes in the morning. So when I wake up, they're ready to be put in the dryer. So then when I come home from the gym, boom, it's time to fold. I mean, in a perfect world, really, it's just time to throw them in the laundry basket and move along with my day. You know what I mean? And poor little Wentworth boy has a little scratch. Oh, baby.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But someday I'll go run and hide, looking for a new start.
You know what the good news is? You get a new start every single day. Every morning you wake up is a new start. It's a new chance to be better. It's a new chance to be in control of your life. And remember that happiness is a choice, people. Let's choose to be happy together, okay? Let's finish cleaning this disgusting kitchen.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down.
Sing it, looking for a new start.
Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Strange brew, that's what I'm used to. I don't know what strange brew is, but I'm down for it, alright? Get high on life, that's me and you. I'm always high on life, okay?
Run away to the sunset. Run away with the skyline far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you.
Morning comes and I messed up again.
New chance tomorrow.
'Cause we're doing everything wrong. I don't know and I don't understand. When we fight somehow we always make up, threatened by a breakup. Is this how we're gonna fade it out? 'Cause we are the way we are, we'll never change.
Wrong. Everyone is capable of change. Everyone. But this is a good breakup
'Cause we
song.
scream, fight, hate, cry. No one's ever backing down. Yeah, we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. When we push, slam, through, down. We're hurting, but we're just too scared. So we do it. Everything wrong. Yeah, we ruin everything. Stop. You and I so different yet alike. We are always on the edge when we love. Our hearts are open wide. But when we hate, it's like a big explosion, shaking our devotion. How we ever gonna figure out how to be without defeat and how it feels?
Do you hear it building? Here it comes. Let's sing it together. 'Cause we scream, fight, hate, cry. No one's ever backing down.
Yeah, we do it. backing down.
I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me today. I hope you didn't back down. See what I did there? I hope you guys check out the link below for the YogaClub box. I think we can all agree that their clothes are super cute. But that's it from me today. I will see you next time. Bye, party people!